NayNaySquad, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is I followed so-and-so's tutorial, and I followed Kaice Alea's Fine Apple Defined Twist Out Puff. So you guys, if you guys don't know, I love her so much, and like I just wanted to try it because I just love who she is. I love her vibe. I love everything about her. I've been following her on YouTube for years, literally years. Ever since I've been into YouTube, I've been following her. So that's been a while though. This is what I came out with. This is the twist out I have. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below on what do you think that I did good, or you know, sis need to do something. I think it's actually pretty nice. It's pretty defined. A lot of people at my school are like, oh my goodness, your hair is gorgeous, da da da. And I'm like, thank you sis, only if you knew. If you want more videos like this, make sure you comment down below leaving suggestions on what YouTuber I should follow next, makeup tutorial or hair tutorial. It doesn't matter, whatever you guys want I will do for you. Love you guys, and I'm gonna
So to save time, I've already done most of my twists. I'm just going to show you guys how I did the last method on this last section. So I'm first going to resaturate this section with a little bit of water.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I just washed my hair. So, yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the front of my hair. And let's see. Oh, it's nappy. I ain't detangle. I ain't do nothing. She said that she's saturating her hair, so that's what I'm about to do.
This just helps to make the hair a little bit more movable, so it's easier to apply the products. So first, the L in LOC stands for leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisturizing Detangler.
So I do not have that. So I do have a leave-in conditioner, but I also don't have a water. I don't think this is water-based. The Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. It provides intense moisture, leaving hair soft and manageable. But I'm just going to take a little.
For your leave-in, you want to make sure that it's water-based because this is the first layer of product that's going on your hair, and water-based products absorb into the hair the most easiest. Water-based products will not work on their own, so on top of our leave-in, we're going to put our oil, which is what the O stands for in LOC, and I'm going to be using 100% pure Jamaican black castor oil.
So I do have black castor oil. This is actually mixed with the coconut oil. So I have coconut oil, olive oil, and black castor oil mixed in this little thing. I was mashing it up because I actually have raw coconut oil, and y'all know it be chunky and stuff if y'all have coconut oil, you know.
And I've been loving this for my edges. Castor oil boosts blood circulation to the follicles, which leads to faster and thicker hair growth. I also apply it to my hair because it helps to reduce split ends, it controls breakage, and it also really conditions and moisturizes the hair. If you feel like your hair looks super dry, castor oil will definitely help to restore luster. And last but not least, we're going to put on our cream, and I'm going to be using the Intensive Hydration Twist and Defining Custard by Shea Moisture. This is a new cream, and oh my gosh, it is freaking amazing. You've probably seen it on my Twitter already. This custard is super thick and filled with a lot of moisturizing properties like manuka honey and shea butter, which are going to really help to seal in all that moisture we've already put into our hair.
So again, I don't have the products that she's talking about, so I'm using different products, so probably my hair is going to turn out a little different. But I'm using the Natural Hair Define and Shine Custard, and I'm just going to put that in my hair.
So next I'm going to go ahead and flat twist this part. I basically just start with one small section, and then I continue to add sections as I move forward on the twist. just to give you guys an idea about how many twists I have like 5 big twists in the front.
That's what I'm gonna do.
And then I have 3 big twists in the middle of my head. They're like really not parted evenly, but that's okay. And then the bottom, I have 4 twists. So I'm just going to air dry my hair overnight. You can sit under a hooded dryer if you like, but I prefer to air dry.
I'm gonna come back when I'm done doing all the twists to show you guys how it looks. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like. My hair is all dry, no dampness, no nothing. So, yeah.
While separating your twists, you want to make sure that you don't separate them too much because then you'll mess up the definition at the ends. And definition that you have at the end of your hair is really the most important because that's the part that's going to be showing up the color.
So, I'm just going to put coconut oil, rub it in my hands. Going to take it down, gently. Look how defined this is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. And now let's see what else I gotta do.
So as you can see, my twists and my hair are super defined and soft and shiny, no flakes. These 3 products together really work well for this technique. I'm just gonna take my pick now and fluff out my roots. Again, you do not want to mess up the definition at the ends of your twist because this is the most important part.
I have my pick right here. She said that you don't want to mess up the defined parts. Y'all, I'm on a time crunch. I should have been having my clothes on. I think these tutorials can be easy. Some of them might be hard if you don't have you have to know your hair. That's another thing. You just can't follow everything the YouTuber does. It's just a guidance or a suggestion for your hair. Don't mean your hair has to go with it or you have to do it to your hair, but it's just like a suggestion. But you also have to listen. Some people just be like, oh, I tried this, but you didn't listen how you did it, It don't come out. It won't come out like theirs if you don't listen or do it right. Watch the video several times so you can understand what you gotta do. Okay, I look like a bunny. Let's do this.
I have my roots nice and stretched out and I have this little afro thing. I'm going to go ahead and take a spray bottle of water and just spray all around my edges.
Okay, so this is my first time using the black castor oil, so I don't know how that's gonna work out.
Argan oil and apply that all around my edges as well.
I'm gonna put it around like she said.
Gel, but it actually works really well for me. It keeps
know.
my edges nice and smooth, and it also helps to moisturize. I'm taking this soft bristle brush and brush that all out.
Yeah, people will message me and say the gel that you use for your hair does not work. I'm like, well, this is what sometimes our hair just won't work with certain products, and you have to find out what product you can use. Some people use Gorilla Snot, but I wouldn't use that. That's kind of harsh on your hair. But if you do, just make sure you put some olive oil or some oil on your hair. Especially black castor oil is really helpful for the hair. So yeah, and it's affordable. So yeah.
Next up is how I really get my edges nice and smooth. This is the Carol's Daughter Macadamia Holding Control Smoother. It's actually discontinued, which sucks because as you can see, it works super well to really lay my edges down.
Okay, so I got a dupe for that. My dupe is the Lusti Shea Butter Edge Gel, y'all. I did a review on it too, and I'm just going to lay my hair.
laid, I'm going to take this elastic headband. You can use any type that you like. It can be stretched out even if you'd like to, because we're going to tighten it up. So I'm just going to put it around my neck and then push it up on my hair. The further back you push it, the smaller the puff. So I kind of push my back just a little bit because I like my puff nice and big. And then...
So that's what we're gonna do. Ooh. Hold on, wait. If your edges mess up, just, you know, fix them when you're done.
I kind of just like pull my hair through it so to make sure that it's really tight and secure. Then if your head is peanut shaped like mine, you just want to squeeze the back of it together until it's as tight as you can possibly get it. And then I like to take a little tiny ponytail holder and just secure it all together. Just want to fluff it until it's in the shape that you like, and then you're all set to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you have any other questions, don't be afraid to ask me. Everything you need to know is in the description box below. And don't forget to thumbs this video up if you like.
You make me wanna